नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV and two-way video conferencing in Adi Kailasa, Uttara Kailasa, Paschima Kailasa, everywhere with my love and respects. Today's subject is experience thoughtless state. Understand, before entering into the satsang, let's bow down to Paramashiva. Today is 4th day of the Brahmotsavam. Paramashiva is gracing us in Sarvalankara in Adi Kailasa and all over the world in all our temples. Let's first receive his blessings and then enter into the satsang.
कर्पूरनीराजनम् ॐ न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकम् नेमा विद्युतो भाति कुतोऽयमग्निः तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं तस्य वासा सर्वमिदं विभाति। श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्तिसमेत श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। कर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि।
Let's enter into today's satsang. Thought is nothing but your inability to cope up with reality. The definition of a thought as per Paramashiva, inability to cope up with the reality. Whenever you are complete with the reality, you just function without something called thought. If you know you are thinking, there will be an incompletion and itching, irritation. If you are acting out of completion, there will not be any thoughts. There will be signals, there will be instructions, there will be orders from your consciousness to you. But there will not be thoughts. Understand? Signals coming from your consciousness, instructions, orders, commands coming from your consciousness to function, to be alive, to be active, to do something is not to be confused with the irritating, itching, confusing, incomplete, internal incompletion thoughts or thought currents. Listen. Thoughts are not needed for the consciousness to own, possess your intra-organ, internal organ and your body and move your life. You need to know, you confuse between your thoughts and the instructions of your superconsciousness to your consciousness, to your consciousness, to your intra-organs, from your intra-organs to your internal organs, from internal organs to your body. Don't confuse that and this. Listen carefully. Paramashiva moves this whole universe without thoughts, being in the state of Paramashanta Swarupa. That shows thoughts are not needed to run your existence as Paramashiva manifested it. Thoughts are your feeling something is missing, inadequate, not enough, incomplete. That insecurity, suffocation, incompletion, that generates something cranky, worms going in your brain. Parasites running in your intestine. That crankiness, the thoughts and thought currents generated by that crankiness is not needed to run your life. This is the most powerful, important cognition you need to cognize. Understand, Hinduism fundamentally does not believe in belief system or faith system. It very clearly explains the methodology of powerful cognition-based functioning system. I am not going to tell you, believe, you don't need thoughts to run your life. No. I am going to say, Shravana, listen, Manana, internalize, Nididhyasana, start living this powerful cognition. So the powerful cognition I am giving you now, Paramashiva, running the whole universe, much more than what we are running in our life. He is running it from the space of Paramashanta Swarupa, without any thought currents, out of pure intelligence. When he can run, you can run. Decide. You will be in the space and state of Paramashiva, Paramashanta Swarupa, and live your life. You will see thoughts and thought currents become redundant. They just fall off from you. Like an old skin getting peeled off and falling. The old hair falling. Old nail falling. Just like old things fall off from you, the ideology you need thoughts and thought currents to run your life will fall off from you. Meditate on this powerful cognition. Internalize it, manifest it. Do Shravana Manana Nididhyasana of Paramashanta Swarupa. Paramashiva, who is so big, he does not need thoughts even to run this whole universe. Even to run this whole universe, he does not need thoughts. Why do you need thoughts to run your life? Too small. Decide to be in his space by listening, internalizing and manifesting this powerful cognition in your inner space. Live and experience thoughtless space. There is a space below your heart center, above the navel center, Anandagandha chakra, where all the 21 chakras, above 7, middle 7, below 7, all the 21 chakras merge in. In that Anandagandha space, remember you are Paramashiva. What you feel as Paramashiva, what you feel as I and Paramashiva is one and the same. With that decision to cognize Paramashivoham, Paramashanta Swarupa, Paramashivoham, He will manifest more and make you cognize you don't need thoughts and thought currents to run your life. Without thoughts and thought currents, just by directly manifesting his intuition and Paramashanta Swarupa, you become more and more efficient, more and more energetic, more and more alive, more and more spiritual, more and more strong, more and more enlightened. Your breathing and his breathing is one and the same. Please understand, this is the real good news he wants to tell you. If you are breathing, he is breathing inside you. Your breathing touches his breathing and comes back. Every time when you are inhaling, goes in and turns to come out, it touches his breathing and then comes out. So where your inhaling breath takes a turn as exhaling breath, that is where he is residing, he is available to you. His breathing and your breathing connects, only then takes a turn. That space is Paramashanta Swarupa. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.